Ready, guys? Let's go. Open up your jar of peanut butter and take 1 scoop with your spreading utensil, like a butter knife. Great job, Sawyer, and Patty's not far behind. Place the peanut butter onto your first slice of bread and begin spreading it with your butter knife. Remember, practice makes perfect. The next step is to take a scoop of jelly or jam and place it on the other slice of bread that doesn't have peanut butter on it. Good job, Patrick. It's Sawyer's turn. Jelly's a little harder to spread, so take your time with this next step. Continue spreading the jelly on the other slice of bread. Looking good. Place your 2 slices together so the insides touch, and there you have it. Don't forget the most important part, taste testing.
Bye!